Warren Buffett finally revealed the mystery companies he invested billions of dollars in Q1. In the end of the video, I will share the stocks that Warren Buffett buys. In this video, we will look at the chart of AMD. It really shows a lot of bullish signals right here. And why do I bullish on AMD? I will share some of my insights on investing in the meme stocks GME. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to STA Club, the club for stocks trading and analysis. This channel is dedicated to provide you with high quality tutorial, guide and insights that demystify the world of trading. But before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is for education purpose only, not a buy or sell call. On 15 May's announcement of the CPI have brought some welcome news to us. The CPI increased by 0.3% from March, slightly below the estimations of 0.4%. On 12-month basis, the CPI rise by 3.4% in line with expectations. With inflation showing a sign of moderation, the market is now anticipating a potential rate cut by the Fed in September. In this video, we will discuss which sector will be most affected by the rate cut and identify key levels for potential stocks investments. So after the CPI announcement, we can see that the market has a big surge. The expectations of the rate cut is strong, which drive the market up. While it is often that the market reacts positively to the interest rate cut. This reaction is not guaranteed and can depend on a variety of factors, including the underlying reasons for the rate cut, the overall economic environments, and market sentiments. Thus, the idea that the stocks market will always go up if the Fed is cutting interest rates is indeed a myth. We should always consider the broader economic context and other influencing factors when assessing the potential impact of interest rate changes on the stocks market. First, we need to understand why the Federal Reserve decided to decrease interest rates, as it is crucial for understanding what's going to happen next. The Fed typically lower interest rate to stimulate economic activity during periods of economic slowdown or to counter-react negative economic shocks. Here are the three main reasons the Fed might decrease interest rates. First, stimulate economic growth. During periods of slow economic growth or recessions, the Fed may cut rates to encourage borrowings and spending by consumers and businesses, thereby boosting economic activity. Second, combat deflations. When deflation happens, the Fed may lower interest rates to encourage spending and investments, helping to push price upward and prevent deflationary spiral. Last, respond to global economic conditions. In response to global economic downturns or finance market volatility, the Fed might cut rates to stabilize the economy and maintain confidence in the financial systems. So understand these reasons is important as they provide insight into how different sectors of the economy might be affected. So what is the key sector that are affected by interest rate cuts? The first one will be consumer discretionaries. So the consumer discretionary sectors often benefit from lower interest rates as consumers are more likely to take out loans for big ticket items such as car, appliances and vacations. Lower interest rate can increase disposable income, encourage spending on non-essential goods and services. Companies in this sector such as automotive manufacturers, retailers and entertainment providers may see a boost in the sales and profitability. In fact, early stages of rate cut might see a boost in sales for consumer discretionaries. However, if the economic downturn is served in the future, consumer confidence may decline, eventually reducing discretionary spending despite low interest rates. Second will be real estate sector. So real estate sectors typically experience positive effect from lower interest rates due to cheaper borrowing costs for mortgage and property development. Low rate can make home loan more affordable, driving demand for residential properties. Additionally, commercial real estate developers can benefit from reduced financial costs, leading to increased constructions and investment in commercial properties. So REITs may also become more attractive to investors seeking higher return than those available from bonds. Initially, REITs and home builders may see increased activity, but the impact depends on overall business investments. If there might be an economic downturn, it will lead to significant job loss and reduced income. The real estate market may suffer from lower demands and increased defaults. So last one will be the technology sectors. It can be significantly affected by changes in interest rates. The decisions to cut interest rate can have both directions and indirect impact on these sectors. reduce interest rate, lower the cost of borrowing for technologies company, make it cheaper for them to finance their operations, invest in research and development, and merger and acquisitions. Business investment in technology to enhance operations can benefit company offering enterprise software, cloud service, and IT infrastructure such as Salesforce, Oracle, and AWS. However, we should remain aware that while rate cut can provide a short-term boost, underlying economic challenge could still pose risk to the broader markets. Look at the chart of AMD. It really shows a lot of bullish signals right here. And why do I bullish on AMD? Here's the thing. So you can see the trend line I draw. AMD has break through the trend line 3 days in a row. And look at the MACD here. We can see a bullish crossover here. So this is one of the bullish signals. The RSI for AMD, we can see here, there is a conversion. So it is a potential trend reversals we can see from RSI. Potential signals for the stock shows the bearish momentum is decreasing. Compared with the signals of breakout and MACD, I'm bullish on AMD. So let us look at the key level for AMD. The first resistance would be 180 and the second one would be 210. So if the stock's price go up to 180, my stop loss will shift up to my cost price. And my stop loss will set at 138. I think looking at the stocks market right now, everyone here want to know whether can you buy GME stocks. From a fundamental perspective, GME financials do not necessarily justify its current stock's price right now. The company has faced significant challenges, including the shift to digital gaming and e-commerce competitions. While efforts are being made to pivot and reinvent the business model, these changes take time and come with risk. The recent market price of GME is largely influenced by retail investor sentiments, social media trends, and speculative tradings rather than traditional fundamentals and technical analysis. This means that traditional financial metric and analysis might not be reliable indicator for the stock's performance. GME is highly volatile, with significant price swings driven by speculative market sentiments and trading volume. This volatility can lead to substantial gain but also substantial losses. If you monitor the price actions these few days, you can see the price go up from $18 to $60, then go back down to 27. So if you can handle the price movement, you can try the stocks. Investing in GME at this stage is more akin to gambling than traditional investing. If you enjoy high risk, high reward scenarios and are willing to accept the potentials for significant financial losses, GME might be something you are interested in. However, if you are a conservative investor and do not enjoy high volatilities, I do not recommend you to touch on these shares. Besides this, let us move to stocks that are more fundamentally supported. Warren Buffett finally revealed the mystery company he invested billions of dollars in Q1. The stock is Chubb Limited, ticker CB. So Warren Buffett revealed it acquires nearly 26 billion shares of Chubb in the Wednesday Securities and Exchange Commission's filings of the company's first quarter investments. That translates to a value of around 6.7 billion. Chubb is a leading global insurance company that operates in 54 countries. Chubb provides a wide range of insurance products, including property, reinsurance, and life insurance. The investment in Chubb underscores Berkshire's Hathaway investment strategy over the past several months. If you would like to know more on the financial analysis on this company, like the video and let us know in the comment. We will do one analysis on this stock in the future.